Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can split shapes and text and stuff like that on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to make it super quick and simple. First, you can use this scissors tool, select one path of it and another path, and then as you can see, if you selected this one, it's been split into two. And you can also use the Pathfinder tool to do this. I'm just going to create both shapes. Select both shapes and go to Windows. Go and select Pathfinder here. And you can either select divide, subtract. This one's divide. And then if you ungroup that, you basically divide it into three shapes. For text, I'll just add in a text here. And I'm just going to change the color as well here. Right click, create outlines. Use a pen tool, use a line, use whatever you want to split the text. I'll just do the straight line here. And I'm going to select all, and then I'm going to select divide as well, and then right click again and group, select the top part and just move that to split it. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!